Hello, we're looking at persuasion now from now on to the end of the course. We've already considered several of the basics in terms of your presentation. We've looked at lighting, camera placement, and eye contact. And now we're going to look at another technique that speakers use to help them persuade their listeners or inform their listeners. In our case, we're talking about persuasion. I want to show you something that a lot of speakers use, in fact, most speakers use, and that's a 3x5 index card. You can buy these at your dollar store or drugstore or Walmart or any place. They're very accessible. Speakers use them to reduce their outlines to a series of main ideas, like I've done here. You'll notice the writing is very big and there are very few words on the card. What I want to show you is the power of that little card to help you persuade your listener. Sometimes a speaker will use these little cards and tape them, or maybe cut it in half or make it even smaller, and tape it next to the camera on their laptop. And on the opposite side, they'll put a picture of a pet or a loved one. And then when they record their speech, they talk to that picture. It works pretty well. But the value of the presentation technique, the little note cards, is beyond that. Once you have the outline technique under your belt, it helps you organize your ideas and make your speech structure stronger, so that your listener can more easily follow the direction that you want them to go in. But by using the little card to help you cue up the next idea, you can free yourself from your script and look directly into the camera lens for your entire presentation.